Hey guys, it's PamLashawn here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to come to you guys and show you all the updated living room space. We did purchase some new furniture from Rooms to Go and I am absolutely enjoying our new purchase. Here's the new set that we purchased from Rooms to Go. This is by Cindy Crawford. You guys, I absolutely love the tough design that is on this set. It is beautiful. It looks so elegant and it actually brightened up our room more. Before it just seemed so dark with the dark brown furniture, but I'm absolutely enjoying this piece. So right here on this wall there is an outlet there, and that's because originally we did have the TV on that wall. But I wanted to change the room around a bit, so I did have an electrician to come out and install an outlet right above the fireplace, and we moved the TV right above the fireplace. So the set actually included a love seat, the sofa, and the chair. However, I chose to go with two sofas instead of the love seat and then the chair. Actually, I wanted to get two accent chairs, two decorative accent chairs, which would have been a different color. But once my husband sat in that chair, you guys, and propped his feet up on that ottoman, there was no negotiating. So I had to purchase the chair that came with the set. Down the hall there, you can see the lamps that I had talked about in my previous video, which was a Homegoods haul. The lamps actually complement the sofas very well, and I like it. Everything does not have to match, but I do like things to flow throughout the house. I'm not a person who does color, like I'm not really into all of the colors, so I do want everything to flow accordingly. I just had a friend tell me just a while ago I needed to add some color while I was doing this video, but I'm just not really into the color. One of the things that I did want to show you all are the decorative bronze nail heads that's on the sofas. I am so in love, and I think it's going to look so good once I start accessorizing, because I am going to be adding bronze and gold to the area to give it that oomph. You know, you got to add that oomph. I do have to give my husband his props on the chair though, because we both are able to fit in it, and I cannot wait till it gets cold outside and we can let the fireplace go and just kick our feet up on the ottoman and be cozy and pop bottles, you know, our Welch's grape juice, because we don't drink. But we are enjoying that couch there because it does fit both of us, and it is very comfortable and cozy. So I just want to show you all the open space. I love the open concept. I'm able to watch TV and a family can talk with me while I'm cooking or doing what I need to do. Overall, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned because, like I said, I have more projects coming up. And I really appreciate you all watching the videos and liking and subscribing. Thank you all so much, and enjoy the rest of your day or night, whichever one.